If you look at my left sidebar here, I have a bunch of custom agents that are helping me day in and day out. Some of these run on schedules, some of these run on triggers, others I use on demand. So honestly, if you're gonna do one thing, just start building. It's gonna open up your mind to all the things you can do with custom agents. Hey, I'm Tyler. I'm the Chief of Staff for our CRO, Erica, and building out our AI Solutions Specialist team. I've worn a bunch of different hats, helping lead different teams here at Notion, and what I'm going to show you today is how I use an agent to help me with my recurring reporting. So I like to think about my week as starting on Friday, and it might sound crazy right before the weekend, but the reason behind it is entering the weekend, you want to have a solid plan for what you're going to be doing next week and be really clear about what happened this week. So if we take a look at the AI Solutions weekly kickoff page, one of the things that we've set up is a template. And the template here has some headliners that'll get populated around what are the updates from last week, what are the priorities for next week, what are the projects we don't have updates on, and then all of this will get populated automatically by the custom agent. So if we look at last week for an example here, we have the headliners in terms of some of the engagements that we were doing with customers around the custom agent beta. We have some of the priorities for the week that are upcoming. And then we have all the things that are happening on the project side here. So opposed to me going around and trying to ask folks for what's happening or searching around and trying to remember in my head, the custom agent will do this on my behalf, and then I come in here and I can edit, tweak, and I'm ready to go. With this agent, what it'll do is it'll spin up every week for me on a Thursday. It'll take a first pass at the project updates that's happened throughout the week. I can clean those up Thursday and Friday, and then when I walk into the office on Monday, I have my plan for the week and then the key things that happened last week there. So I'm gonna click on the agent now, and I'm actually gonna show you what it looks like. So if we go into the settings here, you'll see up top we have our triggers, so when it's gonna be running every single week for me here. You'll see we have our instructions, which gives you a level of detail in terms of like how do I want the page to be populated, so that template to appear every single time it runs. And then on bottom here, you'll see what it has access to. So the Slack channels that I'd like it to read, the pages or the project databases that I want to be going to go use here. And all this comes together in terms of creating that report every week. So 3 pieces of advice in terms of setting up a custom agent that looks like this. The first is use Notion AI to set it up. No one knows better how to create a custom agent than Notion AI, and you can talk to it like you're talking to a friend to get it up and running. The second part is, as you're starting to create it, focus on getting it 80% right. That last 20% is really done by showing it examples of what's working and what's not working. And that brings me to the last one is, show the custom agent how you want the output to look. So after you have that 80% draft done, go in, edit, send it back to the custom agent of here's how I wanted it to look. It'll tweak its instructions, and then you're ready to run each week with that format.